Sometimes your HiSense Roku TV may have issues like apps not properly working because it isn't running the latest software update. Don't worry, here's how to manually update your TV, unlock the latest features, and fix bugs. First, make sure your TV is connected to a strong and stable internet connection. That's really important because the update won't work properly without it. Now, take your remote and go to the Home screen. From there, just go into Settings. Inside Settings, open System. Then you'll see an option called Software Update. Now click on Check Now. Your TV will start checking for the latest update, and if something new is available, it will begin downloading and installing it depending on the update size and your internet speed. It may take a few minutes. Also, it's totally normal if the TV restarts once or even a couple of times during the process. That just means it's applying the update properly in the background. But if you can't see any update available, or it says your TV is already up to date, there's another secret way to do a deeper check. Using the remote only, press the Home button 5 times, the Fast Forward button 3 times, and the Rewind button 2 times. This will open the secret screen. From there, go to Software Update and run the update from there. After everything finishes checking, your TV will load back to the home screen. And that's it. Your HiSense Roku TV is now updated. It should feel smoother, work faster, and those small bugs or app issues should be gone.